Okay, I'm ready to check in. Hi, welcome to American Girl Air. May I have your passport? Yeah, of course. Thank you. Here is your boarding pass. Thanks. Have a nice flight. Okay, I think my seat is next to that girl over there. Let's go over the safety rules. Ooh, very interesting. It's time to pass around with the snack cart. Hello, would you like something to eat? Or drink? Yes, I'll take the pasta. Sure. Thank you. It looks really good. I even got some bread and fruit. How about for you, miss? Oh, yeah, thanks. I'll take gummy bears and pretzels. Thanks. It's gonna be a long flight. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you the American Girl first class flight set. This playset is actually retired and I was able to get it used, but most of the accessories are inside. And I was very excited to find it on eBay. I have been looking for it forever and it is just so cute. On the outside, we have like the gate of the American Girl airport. Inside, we have the airplane scene. So we have a window and some seats. This looks like the outside of the airplane, and one window is open and one is closed. Now we get these little like drawers, and here we have the seats, it looks like. So we get two little airplane seats, and they are just cardboard, but they're in great condition. And it has here like a little TV and the little tray that you get in the airplanes. And here is my American Girl Truly Me doll. Now let's sit my Jojo Siwa Walmart doll, my life as, and see how it works with her. Because she's a little bit bigger, so it works pretty good. Now the same little drawer can be used as a check-in counter for the airline. Here we have some airplane tickets, it's just a little picture. And we can put our doll behind the counter and she can give out the boarding passes and check all of the passports. And we have another little drawer here, and I'm hoping to find some more accessories. So here we have some of the accessories, and I think these are like little shelves for the little boxes. So we'll look at those in a few minutes. And we have this little OG magazine. I think they just included it in the set. Nothing to do with this playset, but like I said, it was used, so they included some extra stuff. This is really cute. There's like a little catalog. I haven't seen this before. We have a little American Girl bag, like a little carry-on bag. Very cute. We have an American Girl magazine, and I love these because they actually have real articles with really cool things to read. It's not just like a pretend magazine with blank pages, so I love this. Wow, look at this rainbow cake! So yummy! Let's see, I have another magazine. I'm not sure if it came with the set or the person that sold it to me just included it here. I'm still looking for this playset brand new, so when I buy it, I will show you guys exactly what came inside. But yep, I really love these little magazines. They're so cute. Let's see what else I have. And this is like a little pretzel bag that you get in the airplanes. So cute. We also get 2 water bottles and they say American Girl Water. We have 2 maps of Europe. We have 1 map of Paris and 1 of London. And these are super realistic. I love these. So your dolls can check out the maps while they're on their flight. We also got these safety on board flyers that you can find on the airplane with information about safety rules, how to keep your seatbelt on, and to have no electronics while they are taking off and stuff. And we got a bunch of different postcards. Here I have 2 airline tickets and they're completely blank so you can fill them in with your doll's names and your destination. We also have like a little cruise pass, so maybe our doll's going on a cruise after her flight or coming back from a cruise. And we got all this currency and money and bills. So whoever had this playset really took care of it. We have dollars, euros, all kinds of cool stuff in here. So these little boards are actually like shelves for the boxes, and they're not completely tight, maybe because they're a little worn out, but it still works. And behind the ticket counter we can put some of the maps or some extra boarding passes. I might even print some stuff online. And the other little box is a little snack cart for the airplane, which I thought was really cute. And I don't have a lot of the accessories that came with the set, so I'm going to add some of my own. And I'm going to first put some of the shelves here. And we can put the water bottles that came with the set and the little pretzel bag. Add some of the magazines. And this airplane food tray I got from an Our Generation playset that I love. It is so cute and well detailed. And I'm going to add some extra beverages. So let's put this aside for now. And usually they always serve apple juice, orange juice, and milk on the airplanes. Of course, they always serve coffee and tea. I have some orange soda. Another tropical juice, like fruit punch. And some other sodas here. A smoothie. And some extra snacks I had on hand. Add a little scrapbook paper to the window so it looks like the dolls are flying. And here I have my Jojo doll. She has her headphones and a little neck pillow. And my AG doll has her little airplane food tray. I'm gonna give Jojo some gummy bears from our generation and some magazines. And we can't forget their carry-on bags. We'll put them underneath their seats. Now they're ready for their flight. Oh, it looks like my doll fell asleep. Let's give her her blanket and she can be nice and cozy. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I absolutely love collecting American Girl older playsets. Please give it a big thumbs up for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.